friends, welcome to Ghar Makan Designer official YouTube channel. Today I am here with a small house design detail of 20 by 40 house plan. Glazed tower with strip elevations are integrated to make lavish and eyes-blowing look. Facade created more simple but attractive. Parking lot is provided at entrance for one car and two bike and can be utilized with shoe rack. Two entrance for the house is provided. Drawing hall is provided such that look spacious and grand with mesmerizing and luxurious scenario to maintain high standard. It also further includes 3-bedroom, dining, kitchen and balcony. Interior was lightly mosted with bright colors to make it capture and enhance the glory. Area between the hall and stairs are used as living cum dining area. Residence is built with concept that being integrated with each space through the house entire depth. The whole depth of the family is kitchen. Modern, fully furnished kitchen with all the amenities are necessary. Wash area with open duct covered with CNC jali and storeroom is also provided. Residence is built on a narrow plot and utilize the maximum space area without any much wasting. Bedroom are designed with combination of light and dark color, collecting king size bed, wall painting, TV unit and attached toilet. Staircase of comfortable dimension and risers are constructed with black granite and glass railings. Family lounge is provided with bright colors, wall paintings and wooden tiles to make it high standard look. Every bedroom is well designed to get high utility of area. This bedroom not only contain attached toilet but also contain dressing area. Every attached toilet is provided with a concept of dry and wet area. bedroom is provided with outer window, refreshing balcony and cooling amenities. Balcony is provided to refresh time and keeping yourself impacted to weather. Terrace garden with small sit-out are provided to keep engaged with nature. Do like, subscribe and share my video if you like it.